video was made for our final project in chemistry. So let's start. First, why chemistry is important to our daily life, to our daily activities. So simply because everything we see, everything we touch, what we touch is all made of chemicals, including us humans. So in short, chemistry is everything. Like for example, the changes you observe around your surroundings, like you're cooking a food. So that's what we call the product of chemical reaction. And in connection to our course, chemistry has a big role in achieving or in order to provide accurate data, information, and or evidences that can prove the crime scientifically. So, chemistry is very vital and useful in investigating crimes in order to solve cases. Like for example, you're evaluating or examining a fingerprint. So I'm gonna give a theory that can we relate or connect to our way of life, which is the gas laws. So we all know gas laws. This law relates the pressure, the temperature, and the volume of gas. So my one example for that is when we inhale and exhale. So when we inhale, our lungs expand. When we exhale, it decreases the volume of our lungs. And my learnings towards to this subject is a lot, actually a lot of things, and I can say that all of those things are important to know for us to be aware, to be enough knowledgeable about certain things in order for our safety and a lot of factors. Because as what I said, chemistry is everything. And I think that's all. Thank you.
So, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. So, we are here in the last part of our journey in chemistry, and there are a lot of things that I've learned in this subject. One of it is about the atomic theory, and also the table of elements and getting its electronic configuration. And also I learned about the identifying whether it is ionic bond or covalent bond. So that's all. Thank you.
So, chemistry is important. Chemistry is important because chemistry is something you do. Your body also contains of chemicals. When we move, eat, or just sit ready, chemical reactions takes place. All is made from both chemicals. So chemistry is essential that all need to be studied. So apply in chemistry in our daily life. Day by day chemistry, which is displays how common and essential it is to dissolve a molecules into nutrients the body can absorb and use. The digestion is based on chemical reaction.
Hi everyone, I'm Eliza Joyce Ramirez. Chemistry is very important in our daily lives because everything is made up of chemistry. Just like us, we are made up of chemistry, the sun, our dogs, this desk, drugs, the food that we intake are made up of chemicals. So many of the changes we could observe in this world around are made up or caused by chemical reactions. So examples included is leaves changing colors, cooking food, and getting yourself clean. So that's it. Then knowing some chemistry can help us make day-to-day decisions that could affect our life. So just like for example is asking yourself, can I mix these household chemicals? Or what are the safe mosquito repellents? Or will my bottled water expire? Or can I mix type of motor oils for my vehicle. So that's an example of um, questions that chemistry could answer through a chemical reaction. So another one is understanding the basic chemistry as essential for effects of chemicals on the environment. So those informations can be used to give plant the best nutrients to help them grow or to decide how to dispose of chemicals without poisoning the air or the water. So another is chemistry concept are important in other discipline. It could be a key to cooking, biology, physics, and astronomy. And also, chemistry is very important to our field, which is the criminology. Since criminology is related to chemistry, um, it is very particular on the forensic science. So, um, there are crimes with toxic chemicals related to the case, which forensic science could help identify it using chemical as the part of forensic crime investigation. So, um, as a part of it, as a student, I have learned a lot in chemistry. Um, with the one semester, I could say there are topics that I could still remember, and that is worth of the time of reading those all those sims and answering all those activities. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rudy Jaspantig, and this is what I've learned in chemistry. Now, chemistry is an important part of our daily lives. Chemistry is a component of science that addresses the properties, structure, and composition of elements and their compounds. So, the question in our everyday lives is what is the value of the chemistry? So, for me, in our daily lives, we can notice chemical processes such as in the food that we consume every day, or man-made things are also have chemicals properties. Food is a process which chemicals are so many in their process. Many environmental changes you encounter are caused by chemical. I've learned from chemical science is to learn and understand the subject of science in our daily life. The chemical experiment that apply not only within the inside the laboratory but in each our daily activities of our life.
Good morning, Mom. I am here to explain about the importance of chemistry in our daily lives. We all know that chemistry is more than important than others because everything was made of chemicals. The foods, animals, sun, and everything we have that do exist. There's many changes that happened here in the world. For example, leaves changing colors, everything we use in cooking food, and all the products that we use to getting ourselves clean. It is more fun in chemistry because they are interested in using it to explore the world and to try those works and science. And for this entire course was really challenging for me because this course needs to study and to perform in laboratory room. But I've learned from this course on how this chemistry acting and operated or produced chemicals. Also, the chemical process and phenomena as from mutual attraction, attachment, or sympathy, and their interaction between people working together. And for the experiment we executed or demonstrate was also challenging for us to do solely, but we made those experiments that result chemicals reactions. And that's all. Thank you.